The caramel cashew recipe, let's add some ghee to the tawa and add some cashew nuts to be roasted. Let's roast this well until it turns golden brown. It's now time to make the caramel. Let's add some butter followed by 2 spoons of jaggery. Allow the jaggery to melt. You can maybe for starters add some water, to which we add some salt and some milk. Mix it well and you'll see a thick consistency arriving. Allow it to thicken. We add some ginger powder and some cardamom powder, followed by some cinnamon powder. Now add the roasted cashew nuts slowly into the caramel. Mix it well so that each of the cashew nut nicely gels into the caramel. Now the caramel cashew nut is ready.